This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Katie Burke. Open house Saturday 8/21 to 3 new construction, move-in ready home built in fantastic, established, quiet, centrally located neighborhood close to 264 interstates and military circle shopping. 5 large bedrooms with 3 full baths and an open floor plan with huge den and kitchen. First floor bedroom with full bath. Lot is oversized and nestled away in the neighborhood. This market will soak this home up fast, so come see it quick. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Burke at 757-403-0911.